Hi guys, this video is about reviewing the Wildfire module in terms of long range in real location. I've never seen anyone done that test before, and as of 18 August 2020 the price is $85 in Banggood. The links are in the video description. Here are the goggles and the antennas I used in the testings. I'm sorry that I do not cut out the background nicely because it will take 3 times longer in order to do so. If you want me to cut out the background nicely, please subscribe to this channel or shopping via the affiliate links below so I have more encouragement to cut out the background nicely. Here is the quadcopter I use. Notice that the VTX antenna is in the position that if I turn right, I will get the worst reception, and I keep turning right to define my destiny. There are some facts that I need to tell you first. The testing of SkyZone module was done in a different location, different time from the Wildfire module testing, but the environment is pretty much the same, which is the jungle. And when I was turning back using the SkyZone module at about 6.4 kilometers, I expect that I get video feed from only one video receiver because the another one was using 7 dBi antenna and it should not catch up with the range. I calculate the FPV range using LiIon's FPV range calculator, and if I use the SkyZone module which has minus 90 dBm sensitivity, I should get the maximum range at about 6.8 kilometers. But if I change to Wildfire module which has minus 98 dBm sensitivity, I should get a whooping increasing distance to 17.7 kilometers. And since the flights are too long to show you all the flights, it takes about 20 minutes each, and you don't want to watch the whole 20 minutes. I'm sure you don't want to watch some kind of that boring videos, so I will show you just the DVR that I was turning back where I should get the worst reception of the flight. And here's the DVR of the SkyZone. As you can see that there's the noise is ridiculous. I don't know why I can't stand using analog, but yeah, that was I use. However, what you actually see in the goggles is much better than the DVR video, and the farther you go, the noisier it's gonna be. So here is the worst signal I get from the SkyZone module. And if you never go long range in analog, you will never experience something like this. So this is the worst case scenario comparison. Now let's check out the DVR of the Wildfire module. But if I fly close to myself, like within the 500 to 1 kilometers, the DVR is much better than this. There's almost no noise at all. But if you go further beyond 2 kilometers, 3 kilometers, then the noise is increasing. And here is the worst noise I get from the Wildfire module at 6.7 kilometers. And what I actually feel is that the video feed from Wildfire is more constant. It's more consistent. And there's no jumping of the video feed too, and the color is better. It's brighter somehow. I don't know. And the noise is I feel that more confident with the Wildfire. And here is the side-by-side comparison. Well, just to show you how it's different. But what I actually see using the Wildfire is, I would say that I feel there is no problem going further than 6.7 kilometers. I have more confidence to go far beyond 6.7 kilometers. But for the SkyZone module, when once I reach that 6.4 kilometers limit, I feel that, oh crap, the video feed is not going to get any longer. So, what do you think about the Wildfire module? For me, I'm happy with it. I get better video quality, I get longer video range, and yeah, even though it is analog, but yes, it is a good investment to me. Well, for those DJI HD, well, that's another case. I'm not going to talk about it. However, please do not dump more quadcopter into the ocean, or let's say, do not crash and lose your quadcopter into any other surface on this planet, because we have more than enough garbage already. And thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.